could this be the most beautiful single-story plan Highland Homes has ever made? Your thoughts below. We're going to dive into the tour right now. Guys, welcome back to Faith Family Home. My name's Keith Duble, and guys, I am so excited to bring you this property. This is the 214 plan by Highland Homes. Now, if you want to talk about flexibility and kind of the ability to customize a home to fit your needs while making it just absolutely beautiful, do not click away from this video. You have to watch this property because it does not disappoint. Stick around till we get to the laundry center, and I'm going to take you through the owner's suite, which is absolutely beautiful. This house checks all the boxes. So we have this incredible workspace in here. You have your office with those double French doors. We go down this beautiful hall on the left there, which we'll get to, is that incredible theater space, which is absolutely beautiful. That meter room does not disappoint. We'll get to that on the way out, but I wanted to dive right into this. Guys, what you want to see, this is the kitchen with that massive center island. We have kind of a bar style sink, dishwasher, service area. It looks into the living space. Look at the coffered ceiling in that living space. We have a formal dining and a sitting area on this side, but there's so much flexibility with this house. Now that could be a breakfast space as well, whatever you want to kind of use it for. Now, Highland has outdone themselves with this beautiful, this beautiful house. This plan is absolutely elegant and stunning. They went with a blue theme all over. That may not be your thing, but they definitely wanted to make it bold and stand out, and that it does. It is absolutely beautiful. They've got these beautiful high-end appliances in here, all your stainless appliances. You've got your double-stacked cabinets with the glass doors, so you can see those with the shadow boxes up top. A nice sizable pantry. I think maybe that might be the one area, but there's a second one behind it, so you can split those for all of your storage needs. Now that pantry alone does not stand. I'll show you the other one momentarily. That's not the only pantry space, so stay tuned for that. I'll show you in just a second. And then, of course, this service bar, this island rather, in the middle with all of the functionality of storage and cabinets and pull-out drawers. So many things going on. Now, I'm going to show you in just a minute this incredible laundry space. But before we do, we call it a laundry center. Here is the other pantry that can serve as kind of a recipe station where you can do your work area. Countertops there. You have storage under. You have upper cabinets. You have open shelving there that you can use. You can have glass doors, double stacked cabinets. There's also a wine mini fridge in this with a little grotto, a mini grotto there that you can store your wine. Guys, I wanted to show you, this is it. So COVID brought about an incredible revolution in home styles. Now, a lot of people homeschooled and it just stuck. So they have these rooms that are multifunctional. They're not just laundry spaces. This is the laundry center, but guys, this can also be a fitness center. You can adjust it to be that. You can actually have a second study in here as well, and all doubling as additional functional bonus space, and they give it its incredible flexibility and options in there. That center island in the middle, you can work at, homeschool, whatever it is that you want to do, a study. Again, lots going on. They're calling it the laundry center. Now, before we went to the owner suite, I was really close to this guest bed, so I just wanted to peek in there. And across the hall is this really lovely half bath. Love the floor. I love that marble finish look. On that sink, that marble veneer they did around that boxing, and of course all the trim work in here is just beautiful, and that navy up top, just again thematic and beautiful. We just passed, I'm going to take you back through. I decided I was going to go back around and go from the bedroom into the bathroom, but I decided to go through the bathroom into the bedroom. So this is the closet that feeds right out across the hallway into that laundry center, and you can see all the built-ins that they have here as an option. And there is a ton of storage space that you can put in this incredible owner's closet. So much storage in here. You have all your spots for your hanging clothing articles, your long garments, your jackets, coats, hat boxes, shoe boxes, whatever it is. Does anybody have hat boxes anymore? My wife has hat boxes because she loves hats. And we're going to work right into this owner's bath. You have the double vanity on this side, the double sink with that vanity seating over there. And they call them double vanities, but then they have a separate space for vanity from your makeup area. And you have your glass framed shower that goes right in here. It's actually frameless, but yeah, it's obviously got a wall there with a window, so it's frameless glass trim out with the kind of the wood look tile that they put all around this standalone soaking tub, and of course all around that walk-in shower. Beautiful job. This whole bathroom is a win. I absolutely love it. And I'm just sitting here oogling. I'm in the reflection there. I'm just oogling over this bathroom. It's beautiful. They did a great job. You know, maybe the finishes aren't maybe up to your speed, but they certainly are beautiful. And you can do different options for you. Now, walking into this owner's bedroom, the super high kind of vaulted ceiling there, that cathedral style, the vaulted ceiling, tapered. It's beautiful. You have this large king-size bed with enough room for an ottoman at the end, a seating ottoman, and they have this bump out, this bump out here that you can add as an option for seating. So just a lot of room in this bedroom. It's just really beautiful. Highland does a great job. By the way, right now we're in Parkside on the river. It's in Georgetown. There's actually it straddles the main road that goes through this area, which I would tell you, but you probably don't know anyways, so it's okay. But there's the main road that goes across Parkside on the rivers, actually on both sides. One's called Parkside, then the other one's a different section of Parkside, because that's not on the river, so it has a different name. This owner's suite feeds right out into this living space. You can see that conference ceiling. You have tall ceilings. I'm saying these ceilings are probably 10 or 11 feet. You have views all the way around. Just a beautiful use of space. I love what they've done in here. And the question remains that you guys will need to answer for me. Is this the most beautiful plan that, Highland Homes has ever put forward for the size? Now, just kind of going into the dimensions of this property, it can be 28, so it can be 3 to 5 bedrooms. It can be up to 50 square feet with the laundry center. It can have 2 to 3 car garages, 3 to 5 full baths, and it can have up to 2 half baths. And so this model is a 4.5 bath actually. And I just, again, you can get this option to do this massive back patio here, and they put in the screened section. Those motors, that motorized automated screens that are custom fit to the openings, are not cheap. And so one day this house is going to be for sale and someone is going to get a really nice deal. But I love the screened in back patio here. It's so lovely. Of course, there's 2 sets of sliding doors, the 2 sets of double sliders. You have the 2 sliding doors on this side, then over on the living room, the seating area, you have that as well. And I just really wanted to highlight, I don't know if you guys noticed, but yes, the screen is there. And I guess I could have just said it. Instead, I had to touch it because I want you guys to see. So there's the 2 sets of sliding doors for access. People can go in and out of the outside. And again, I don't know if you know, but if maybe this is you, maybe you're looking for engagement with the outside. Millennials and Gen Z, one of the biggest things they're looking for, I think they surveyed like 1,000 millennials when they were looking to buy. And they said the number one thing they're looking for is kind of communion with the outdoors, being able to access trails and hiking and biking and so forth, also flowing from the inside to the outside, just all of the kind of being in touch with the outside. And just how nice is that, right? This box checks. And guys, this house starts at like $705 and it goes all the way up. I think the model is listed, or would be somewhere around $747. And this can be on 60-foot and 70-foot lots, by the way. So lots going on. And Highland is one of my favorite home builders for elevations. Their elevations are always so lovely. They do a great job. So many of them, I think probably out of all the builders, I love maybe their elevations more often than other builders. Other builders do obviously a great job too, but Highland Homes, the elevations they put forward, they just do a great job. They're constantly elegant. Now guys, here is this stunning media space. Look at this media room. They've got the surround sound in the ceiling here. And of course, because it's a single story, you can access into the attic, and you can get in the attic and you can really drop in whatever you want to. But this one is pre-wired for all of the, I think it's a 5.1, could be more, but it's obviously demonstrating what they can do as far as media and entertainment and so forth. Another bedroom here. And, the access to the bathrooms, super important in this house. And again, this one's a 4.5 bath, meaning that I believe all the bedrooms are en suite in this one. I have to go back and look again. I wasn't paying attention. When I was going through the house, I think that's what I saw, but I don't want to say that now and then be wrong. But there's 4.5 baths, so that I'm pretty sure that's actually the one guest bedroom by the laundry center is not a full bath. It does have a half bath there, but lots of options in the home for restrooms and so forth. So a lot of wonderful things happening in this beautiful, beautiful plan. Now, guys, these homes, these builders are really willing right now at the time of this video to negotiate and work. And having an agent who has got a great reputation with builders is critical. So you don't want to go in there and just go it alone because, yeah, great, maybe you can talk through some pricing and get to a certain number, but it's really helpful having somebody who is kind of representing you with a fiduciary as the home is being built. Because even though these sales reps are amazing, I was out there chatting with Amy yesterday. She is wonderful. Amy and every other sales rep, they ultimately work for the builder. It's really critical having a fiduciary working for you. And I think that all of the sales reps would agree with me, including Amy. She's so sweet, by the way. So this is the incredible 214 Glen by Highland. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this. This has just been, again, just a beautiful, beautiful home that I've been so excited to share with you. And we are looking forward to many more, guys. YouTube is going to make some recommendations. Do me a favor, click on one of them. Go explore our YouTube channel. Thank you again for checking us out here, Faith Family Home. If those values resonate with you, I would love to serve you. And I appreciate you guys taking time. We'll look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.